So I've drawn a Venn diagram because we're trying to find X. How many directors are director of both company K and company R? So we're trying to find X. All right, look at clue 1. Clue 1 says there were 17 directors present at a joint meeting of the directors of company K and company R, and no directors were absent. So that tells me that K plus X plus R is 17. But it doesn't help me find how many, or it doesn't help me find X. 2. Company K has 12 directors, and Company R has 8 directors. So Company K, let me get a different color here, is this. So that tells me that K plus X equals 12. And Company R has 8. So I know that R plus X equals 8. But that doesn't help me find X. So now put both clues together, and that's going to work. And you can stop right here if you can see that. I'm going to go a little further. I'm going to take this equation and solve it for K. So K equals 12 minus X. And take the next one and solve for R. R equals 8 minus X. And then if you plug both of these back into this equation, I'll do that down here at the bottom. K is 12 minus X plus X. That's that plus X right there. Plus R, which is 8 minus X, equals 17. And you can solve this equation for X, and that will give you the number of directors that are both for company K and company R. So your answer is C.